going to be needing the E6000 glue, which I purchased from Walmart. It's about $2. And also a plain velvety steering wheel cover, which I thought would hold the glue and the rhinestones together. And also the adhesive glue comes with 4 tips and also a cover, and you're going to puncture the tip, puncture the seal of the neck and tube using the precision tip that was provided. There's about 4 of them, just in case it dries out and you need to use another. Also comes with a black tape that you can use to cover once you're done, so that the glue can, stay secure and prevent it from drying out. Now those rhinestones are going to be for a little project. Alright, so getting started with the project here. I'm going to be applying the glue. As you can see, it's very easy to do, even though it just gets a little sticky in your hands. Just kind of rub your hands together, it'll come off, and washing it also works. Let's gently place that around and stick it. Now about the distance, you can be creative with however design you want to make. I'm just sort of going with the flow here. I'm not sure what where I'm going to place in the stones. And also the stones, I purchased them for an old project that was about a year ago at your local hobby store, Joann's or Hobby Lobby. I got this ones from Hobby Lobby. As you can see, I got pearls right there sitting on the table, and I've got those clear stones as well at Hobby Lobby. But I'm pretty sure you can find them at your local hobby store. Now I'm placing the biggest part of the biggest stones, giving them enough space for the design I'm making as I'm going. And I'm using that instrument to measure it so that it can just guide me around to how I want to design and place the stones around the steering wheel cover. So I'm just going to do that and follow the same idea all around, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now what I should have done is bring out all the stones and so that it can prevent my glue from drying out while I'm waiting. And you just want to place it around and glue it on it. So you're just going to follow that pattern around, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in just a few. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys can see I did forget to mention where I got my steering wheel cover. I did get this plain steering wheel cover from Walmart. It was about $9.99 for one, and that's how it looks when you place it all around. Now you want to wait for allow 24 hours for curing. Now it depends on the materials and temperature. The maximum strength may not be reached for 48 to 72 hours. but I am going to keep it in for about 2 days just because it's going to be sitting in the car. You know, the sun gets hot. I live in Atlanta and the weather is real hot where you can't touch your steering wheel. So I hope that it stays in. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for other projects and other things that I'll be doing. Thank you. And make sure you guys subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of different things, so you just never know. Thank you once again.